Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Girl with Anita. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting your girl. If you're a newcomer, if you're stopping by for the very first time, please subscribe, like and comment, and also stay put because we have a lot of things to learn in this channel. So guys, without much further ado, let's jump right into the video. So for today's recipe, we are going to prepare a drink that helps with weight loss, reduces blood sugar level, reduces our blood pressure, helps with immunity, keeps us fuller for long, and also helps with our heart health. So guys, and the good thing about it doesn't have a lot of ingredients. These are what you can easily find in your grocery store. So guys, the first ingredient here is lemon. Lemon has a lot of vitamins, has a lot of nutrients. It helps with weight loss, aids in digestion, relieves constipation, is good for immunity. And the next ingredient here is chia seeds. Yes, chia seed has more iron than spinach, it has more vitamins than orange, it has more fiber and calcium than milk. So guys, this chia seed here is the bomb. So basically this drink only requires these two ingredients, the lemon and the chia seed. But I put this maple syrup as a sweetener. If you have a natural honey, you can use. But I'm using maple syrup. This is totally optional. You can decide to use maple syrup, you can decide not to. But the main ingredient for this recipe, there are these two, lemon and chia seeds. The maple syrup is optional. So having gotten that out of the way, we are going to jump right into the process. So the first thing is I will cut my lemon. Cut it. I've already washed it. Cut it and squeeze out the juice. Lemon has a lot of vitamins, helps with immunity, helps with weight loss, keeps us fuller for long, is good for the heart, helps melt kidney stones. So that is it guys. We have used our lemon and I'm going to keep it aside. So the next thing here is our chia seeds. I call it the miracle seeds. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seed. This is 1 tablespoon into a cup. Guys, if you have been enjoying my video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to like. It helps the algorithm. So this is the chia seed in the cup. Now we're going to add water to it, and I like to sit for 10 minutes. It has a lot of benefits guys. Weight loss, heart health, antioxidant properties that fight free radicals in our body is there. Knee injury, gives you strength, boosts your energy, helps your metabolism. This is really a miracle in the form of a seed. So guys, we're gonna leave it for 10 minutes. We're gonna sit for 10 minutes for the next process. So guys, this is 10 minutes later, our chia seed has been sitting in this water 10 minutes later. See how it is? It has increased in size. So the next thing we do, we're going to pour it here into our blender. Into our blender. Then the lemon that we squeezed earlier, we're going to pour it right in. Then, like I said, you can just blend these two, the chia seed and the lemon, but as icing on the cake, you can add maple syrup to it. Like it's a natural sweetener. But I'm going to put little, half teaspoon. It has lesser calories than honey. Just little, just little. Properly. Then what it should look like. This is what it looks like. Some people don't like the lumpy form of chia seed, so you can blend till it's very smooth like this, or you can just blend it once and then drink. I call this drink miracle drink. So guys, this is what it looks like. Shape here. So guys, drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. It's very much effective on an empty stomach. Then before you go to bed, you burn fat while you're sleeping when you drink this. Just look at that, guys. This is gonna reduce blood pressure, reduce your blood sugar level, help with weight loss, help to boost your immunity, give you strength, keep you full for long, has more omega-3 than salmon, has more vitamin C than orange, and has more calcium than milk. Like, can you imagine that? So guys, do try this drink and let me know what you think. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye bye.